Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. There's this very important topic for us to digest. Thus, beginner course in spatial data science and application. This video will give an outline of the presentation for this comprehensive course as contained in this video. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Before outlining this presentation, I would like to introduce myself first. I am Fuseini Waah Salifu, a Principal Research Technologist at Council for Scientific and Industrial Research under Building and Rural Research Institute here in Kumasi, Ghana. I am the CEO of the Realty services. Thank you for your interest in my beginner course in spatial data science and application. The beginner course in spatial data science applications will be organized into comprehensive modules as contained in the presentation outlined below. Part 1 to 5 will basically talk about understanding geospatial data science, which will be around 2 to 3 hour videos. Part 6 to 10 will concentrate on solution structures of geospatial data science problems, which will also be around 2 to 3 hour videos. And the part 11 to 16 will basically concentrate on geographic information system, which will also be around 2 to 3 hour videos. Part 17 to 22 will concentrate on spatial database management system and big data systems, which will also be around 2 to 3 hour video. Part 23 to 29 will be based on geospatial data analytics, which will also be around 2 to 3 hour video. Part 30 to 33 will concentrate on practical applications of geospatial data science, which will also be around 2 to 3 hour video. To be able to complete the beginner course in spatial data science and application, you need to go through all the 33 videos that will be released on the Realty Service YouTube channel on different dates, starting from Thursday, 28th April 2022 at exactly 1 o'clock p.m. GMT. Let me kindly properly introduce this course using real-world geospatial science problems. First geospatial problem is that a financial investment group is considering the purchase of commercial coconut land in sub-Saharan Africa to diversify its investment portfolio. What will be a good country to invest in? The second problem is that the city government plans to integrate and manage all geospatial datasets in the central database management system and grant each department access to the database while having different powers. What will be the solution in architecture to support such requirements? The third issue is that a health department wants to see if there are spatial patterns between countries and disease prevalence. If present, they would like to identify regional factors that will contribute to a higher or lower prevalence of disease. How can you solve the problem? The fourth problem is that a defense research agency is hired to develop a framework to present an optimal surveillance network designed against potential infiltration. It is all about optimally placing thermal observation devices on a battlefield. How could the agency solve the problem? The fifth problem is that a taxi service company wants to provide a new service with taxi drivers named Find Me, which can guide them to places where many passengers are waiting for taxi services. After taking this course, these are the practical problems of spatial data science that you can solve. In fact, concerning the 5 problems that I mentioned, I will give you my solutions in the final week of this course. Spatial data is an interdisciplinary subject for which you need to understand geographic information system, database management systems, data analytics, and big data systems. These subjects will be covered throughout this course. One differentiating aspect of my course is that only open source software will be used. Quantum GIS for Geographic Information System, PostgreSQL, and PostGIS for Database Management System, R for Data Analytics, and Hadoop related solutions for big data systems. I invite you to join me in this journey of exploring spatial data and applications. Hopefully, you could find this course interesting as well as helpful for your career development. Thank you and all the best.